everyone, welcome to Drew the Snippets channel. In today's video guys, I will be cooking a chicken with creamy pasta and mushrooms. And for other added ingredients, I'll be using garlic, cream and spring onions from my balcony garden and parsley from also my balcony garden. If you've been following me in other videos guys, you know that I am doing sustenance living where I'm planting on little spaces. I've been planting on my kitchen windowsill and also on my little balcony. If you have not watched it, you can watch it on my other videos. Anyway guys, for now let's begin with cooking our chicken and mushrooms with creamy pasta. And if in the comments below, could you just share with me your tip, what maybe you think I can do better, or how do you make yours? It's always good to learn from other people. Okay, I will be interested to hear from the comments what you think of my creamy pasta with chicken and mushroom. And if you have a tip to share, you're very much welcome, and I am very excited to hear from you. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoy the video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and share. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you loved my cooking video today, then let me know in the comments below what you think, and share with me one of your favorite ways of cooking creamy pasta with chicken or with mushroom, or if you cook it in other different way. I would love to hear. And a huge shout out to Lenny Jones for the lovely music. I loved it. And guys, don't forget to subscribe so that you can see more of my videos. Thank you. Shalom.